Thanks for joining us here on this driving tour from Waimanalo Beach Park to once again Hawaii. It's a succulent farm in the back of Waimanalo. So it might be hard to find, and so I wanted to create this video so that everybody kind of knew where it was. So we're heading out of the Waimanalo Beach Park parking lot. And this ahead is Kalani Anaole Highway. We're going to be making a right turn here. If you look on your left, you'll see tents or food trucks here and there scattered around there, or places that sell fresh produce, fruits and stuff. On the right side here, you see 7-Eleven, and beyond 7-Eleven, in that white and red building, is Kaneki's. They have plate lunches there you can buy, and I guess the post office was there too. If you go down further down the road, you'll get to McDonald's, and right before McDonald's is Waimanalo Co-op store, which we buy some food in there sometimes. They have a small little hot food place in the back, and they have other merchandise in their store. And then before that, there's a vegan place too, but that place is always crowded, and parking's bad. You gotta wait a long time for your food, but I don't know, it's still popular, but we don't go there because it's too busy. Instead, we go to the Waimanalo Co-op store, which they also have vegan and vegetarian food there too. The selection's not that big, but it's pretty good. This is Hinalea Street. We're going to make a left turn here. You could go also to the next street, and it's Hihimanu Street, and you could turn left there also, but this is the route that we chose today on Hinalea Street. This is Olu Street. We'll be making a right turn onto Olu Street. And this is Hihimanu Street. We're going to be making a left turn down Hihimanu Street. And we're going to take this down a little bit. Waimanalo District Park is right here on the right. We're making this left turn onto Kakaina Street. Kakaina Street. Okay, we're getting very close to, once again, Hawaii um, entrance way to their farm. Look to your right. It's coming up. You see the driveway, and then it looks like a gated area right here. You want to turn right. So you see the gate is kind of half closed. See once again there. Once again, Succulents. We did a short walking video in their nursery a while back. I'll put the link below so you folks can check that out. And I'll also put it on the end screen. So if you don't know what once again Succulents is, they're a nursery of succulents and cactus. They do special events, weddings, custom orders. They have workshops, planting parties. They do school visits. And this nursery is open Thursday through Sunday, 12 to 5 p.m. There are also a couple of comments on Saturday, 11 to 5, Windward Mall. On Wednesdays at 2:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. Sunday 9:30 p.m. to 2 p.m. Mililani High School on the first and the first and the third Sunday at 8 to 11 a.m. Pearl Ridge Uptown, they're there on certain days too. But anyways, just wanted to show you folks how to get here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to us, please subscribe. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for all your support. Aloha.